In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an Add to Cart button in the Shopify Dawn theme. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify home page. On the sidebar menu, click Online Store, usually located under Sale Channels. This will take you to a page listing all your installed themes. Next, click Customize on your active theme to open the theme editor. At the top right, you will see a drop-down menu, typically defaulted to Home page. Click it to reveal a list of different sections and pages you can edit. From this menu, select Collections, where all your product collections are listed. Here, you will see your default collection template. Any changes here apply to all products in that collection, unless specified otherwise. Now, select the product you want to add the Add to Cart button to. Clicking on a product will open its product page layout. In the editor, look for a section labeled Quick Add. Click on Standard in this section. This enables the Add to Cart button, making it visible and accessible directly from the product page. Once selected, your Add to Cart button should now appear on the product page. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top right of the editor. Keep in mind that updates may take a few moments to reflect on your live store. And that's it. Your customers can now seamlessly add items to their cart with a single click, enhancing the shopping experience and potentially boosting your sales.